Hello and welcome to the uSelect Equipment Review Show. Today we're doing the Sharp Microwave R24AT. So why use this Sharp oven? Sharp are a fantastic company. They've been going for many years and they have a very good engineering network, so you know you're always going to be able to get spares. They do things right. They are a real proper company. Their machines are very reliable. Their machines are very well made. People love them. You basically just have a button to select your power, a button to set your time, and an on switch. There you go, that's all it is. They're very high power, these machines. They're 1900 watts. They cook food very quickly, and they just give you exactly what you need when you need it. The inside's all white plastic, so it's really easy to clean. The outside is solid metal. It's very dependable, very hard wearing. As with all machines, you just need to look after it. Clean it, make sure it's well maintained, make sure it's got good venting around it, give it some space around it so it can actually cool down when it needs to. But apart from that, this is a solid machine, it's not going to let you down. So, in summary, the Sharp Microwave, it's well made, it's dependable, it's easy to use, it's easy to clean. As long as you look after it, clean it, make sure it's well vented, you will not have a problem with this machine. And it will do you proud. There you go.